Hi folks, this is Eli. This is a blizzard update from Malden, just north of Boston, from the blizzard 2010. It is around 6:20 in the morning, and as you can see, we have about, oh my god, look at the birdie over there. So we have about an incredible a foot of snow on the ground. The snow is still blowing and drifting. That's how high the snow is right now. It drifts are about 2 feet high. Um, so yeah, it's pretty bad. You can't even see the cars. Cars are it's still blowing heavily. There's a lot of strong winds blowing all the snow around. It's still snowing very lightly right now. But there are bands of snow still offshore. The low pressure is just approaching the Cape Cod area, so we still have bandings of snow around the area. So we should be getting about I would say about 2 to 4 more inches of snow. Look at that house, all sides. Oh my lord, it's crazy. The snow is blowing sideways. What fell is all over the place. So this is the update. The roads are really bad. As you can see, they're all really icy. The snow has been compressed. So it's very sticky. Alright, so I gotta let you go. This is the latest from the blizzard 2010 in Boston. About 12 inches of snow right now on the ground. Some places have reported 15 inches. See, they're trying to warm up there. A couple of feet of snow. It is absolutely beautiful though. It looks amazing. Can't wait for daylight. Of course, I'll have to go to work soon. So, see you guys later. Peace out.